This is about life. This is about love, hope, lovehopefaith.com. Hi everyone, my video for today is about unboxing my first. Hi everyone, my video for today is about Love Hope Faith Group, which you can find on Facebook. They provide assistance to cancer patients and they sell lifesaver shirts and lifesaver watch. What I bought is a lifesaver watch, which is the one that I'm gonna unbox today. So, let's get started. Ito na yung nabili ko na lifesaver watch 4.0 and the color is army green. Now, while I am unboxing it, so I purchased this watch while I was in the province na pinurchase ko siya December 1. And according sa Facebook group, nakalagay doon na pag provincial orders, it will take 18 to 20 days bago mo siya ma-receive. So, December 1 ko siya in-order, na-receive ko siya December 15, which is like 3 to 5 days earlier than the expected date. Now, if you are familiar with their Facebook page, nakalagay doon na they started since 2013 by helping cancer patients. And here it is. And ang Love Hope Faith Group ay nagbibigay ng 50% ng net proceeds, dinodonate nila sa beneficiaries nila, which is the cancer patients. So, eto na siya. Yung makikita mo dun sa plastic na i-deliver sa'yo is the details of what you have purchased, the receipt, and then the box. So, I was really excited of receiving this kasi it's been a while since hindi ako nagsuot ng relo. I used to use Timex, and upon seeing their Facebook page, nakita ko nga na yung texture ng quality is comparable to Timex. However, as we all know, yung Timex worth like 3,000 and above yung price. So, this one is 300 pesos. At the same time, half of the amount nung nabili mo will still be donated and makakatulong ka pa. Now, let's see. So, these are the different colors na pwede mong bilhin. Actually, last December, nakita ko sa page nila sa Facebook, may promotion sila na 10 different watches ang bibilhin mo worth 3,000 pesos. So, pwede mo na siyang iregalo or collection mo if you like. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, yung nakalagay doon is 10 different kinds of watches, different colors. I'm not sure if until now, promo pa nila yon. But then again, you can just purchase individual purchases or 10 piraso talaga bibilhin mo. So, ayan. I love it. See? Kung titingnan mo talaga siya, ang ganda ng quality niya. May nakalagay dito na together, let's help. Okay. So, may nakalagay dyan na lifesaver at of course, gumagana yung battery. And inside the box, so there about the family, Love, Hope, Faith group embodies loving, giving, hope, and being faithful. Mission and vision nila. So, ayan. Every tick of this watch will bring hope to cancer patients. So, thank you, Lifesavers, for being part of our family and for making this all possible. Your simple act of kindness reaches thousands of hearts. 50 of the net proceeds of this watch will be donated to cancer patients and other Love, Hope, Faith group beneficiaries. So, I hope guys this helps you. So, kung napapaisip kayo kung anong pwedeng iregalo nyo sa friends, relatives, loved ones, you can try this. Check nyo ito. Yan. So, check nyo yan sa Facebook or just type Love, Hope, Faith group. I'm also gonna try it on kung bagay naman sa akin. Let's see. There you go. Kailangan ko sigurong persahin. That's it. There you go. Love it. Magaan lang siya actually. But if you look at it, parang mukhang mabigat. This is it for now, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you should try it too. I really appreciate your time, and please don't forget to press like, subscribe, and press the notification bell for you to be updated of my latest videos. God bless, and see you next time.